Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to tween using CapCut. So open CapCut. Alright, so in open CapCut, tap on new project, then select photos section. So I'm going to select an image that I want to do the tweening with. So I'll select this image here, which is like a cartoon. Then I add it. So this is the image I'm going to use for tweening. Okay, so what I want to do is quite simple. I need to come on overlay section here, then say add overlay. So I'll add the arm of this image. So I took a screenshot of it. It's right here. Okay, so after adding the arm of this image, what I want to do is to tap on the add section. So I tap on add. Alright, so the arm of this image has been added. So what I want to do is quite simple. Just come and adjust it a bit. You can change its direction like this. Alright, so you put it here. Okay. Alright, so you twist it like this. So you twist it like that. Okay, so I'm twisting it in the position I want it to be. Okay, so I want it to be in that position. Alright, so I let go. Alright, so after that, what you want to do is to come and adjust this position. I'll come and adjust this one down. This is the overlay, the arm, to fit in that position I want it to display. So after that, I'll come and add another overlay right here. You tap on add. So this time I want to add a white screen or a white background, this one here, to cover the main arm. So I'll cover the main arm like this. Alright, so after covering the main arm, I'll play this video. Okay, so as you can see, this is what we call tweening. This arm will disappear and the other one will display. I'm just using a white screen and the second arm, as you can see. So that's how you can tween using CapCut. It will keep on changing. So you can do this as many times as you want, guys. So that's how you can tween using CapCut. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.